We're going to be starting chapter 8 today, and in this first section we're going to be talking about percentages and converting percentages to decimals and decimals to percentages. So the first thing we want to do is define a percentage. This expresses numbers as part of 100. Percentage literally means per 100, per 100. So to express a fraction as a percentage, what you're going to do is divide the numerator by the denominator, and you can do that right into your calculator. Then you're going to multiply the quotient by 100, which is going to be the easiest way. Or you can move the decimal point in the quotient 2 places to the right. Then you're going to add a percent sign so that we know now it is a percentage. Then to express a decimal as a percentage, you can do this one of two ways. Same thing as above. You're going to move the decimal places 2 places to the right or multiply it by 100. Again, I think multiplying it by 100 is going to be the easier way. You can just type that right into your calculator. And then again, we're going to add a percent sign. So for part A, we are going to express 1/8 as a percentage. So what I want you to do is type 1/8 or 1 divided by 8 into your calculator. That's going to give you 0.125. And then at this point, you just multiply that by 100, and that's going to give you 12.5. And then you're going to add that percentage symbol on there. For B, I want you to type in 38 divided by 42. That gives you 0.9047. And if you multiply that by 100, that's going to give you 90. And if we round to one decimal place, it's going to be 90.5. And then again, don't forget your percent symbol, so 90.5%. For C, you can type this into your calculator if you want, so that would be 0.023 times 100, and that would give you 2.3%. The other way is if we're looking at this decimal place, which is right here, what you do is you move it 2 decimal places to the right. So you start here, you go 1. So you go 1, 2. Oh, let me try that again. That didn't work out very well. This pen is a little bit thick. Okay, so you start here and you go 1. Okay, it's not working. So we'll just do it that same way, and it's not a big deal because, again, I think that's the easier way. So then finally, for 0.67, again, to convert it to a percentage, just multiply it by 100, and that's going to give you 67, and that's 67%. Then what we're going to do for this next part is express a percent as a decimal number. So to do that, we're going to move the decimal point 2 places to the left, and then move the percent sign. The other way, which I didn't put on here, is you can just divide that number by 100. So the opposite of what we did last time. Last time we multiplied here, you would divide. So what you would do here, again, remember, percent means per 100, so that's why we're dividing by 100. So if you are starting at 48%, the decimal places be right here. If you move it 2 to the left, you go 1, 2. That decimal place now becomes right there, so it's actually going to be 0.48. And again, the other way is just do 48 divided by 100. That will give you that same answer. Just remember to drop the percentage sign at this point. Then 3.5%, so starting at the decimal place, go 1, 2, move the decimal place. Notice how I have this open area right behind the decimal place? That's now going to become a 0. So it's going to be 0.035, dropping that percent sign. Or divide by 100. Again, either way is completely fine. And then finally, to convert 250%, this is going to be a little bit weirder than our other ones, but our decimal place is right here, so we move it 2 decimal places to the left, so go 1, 2. So it's actually going to be in between the 2 and the 5, so it's actually going to be 2.5. And that is possible. So don't get freaked out that there's a number to the left of the decimal place. That is possible.